Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're taking a look at what many cyclists are calling the best road bike pump mini available, the Toolitin floor bike pump with gauge.
Let's dive in and see what makes this pump stand out from the rest. First off, let's talk about convenience.
The Toolitin floor bike pump features a detachable design, making it incredibly easy to carry and store.
No more struggling with bulky pumps that take up too much space in your garage or trunk. Plus, the one-piece aluminum barrel not only looks sleek but also provides better inflation efficiency compared to steel barrels. Pumping up your tires is a breeze with this pump.
Thanks to its wider and thicker steel base, you'll experience stability like never before. And with a maximum pressure capacity of 160 psi, you can quickly and accurately inflate your tires to the perfect level.
Whether you're riding on the road, mountain trails, or anywhere in between. But wait, there's more. Toolitin doesn't just stop at bike tires. With the included detachable accessory box, you can easily inflate a variety of other items like air cushions, basketballs, footballs, and more. It's like having a portable air station right at your fingertips. One of the standout features of this pump is its accurate pressure gauge. No more guessing games or risking overinflation. With the built-in gauge, you can visually see the pressure as you pump, ensuring you hit the perfect PSI every time and preventing any accidental tire blowouts. But don't just take my word for it. Customers love the Toolitin floor bike pump, with over 5,000 ratings averaging at 4.5 stars. They praise its ease of use, sturdy construction, and reliable performance. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or just starting out, this pump has you covered. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the best road bike pump mini, look no further than the Toolitin floor bike pump with gauge. With its detachable design, high pressure capacity, and versatile functionality, it's a must-have for any cyclist. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews on Product Critique.
Until next time, happy cycling!